Hello everyone. Today shall discuss exercise 10.3 question number 6. Verify Euler's formula for these solids. Number 1 and number 2. Now first we will solve number 1. Here in number 1 is we will find the number of faces. 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 That is F. Number of faces. Number of faces is equal to F is equal to, here you see, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7. Number of faces is 7. Right? Number of vertices. We will find number of vertices. Number of vertices. Number of vertices is equal to number of vertices. That is equal to V. Number of vertices we are getting 1, 2, 3, 4 and here it is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Number of vertices is 10. Right? And number of edges. Number of edges. Number of edges. Number of edges is equal to number edge 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Number of edges is 15. E is equal to 15. Is equal to 15. Number of edges is here 15. Now we have A plus V, F plus V minus C, that is equal to F is 7, vertex is 10 and edge is 15, that is 10 plus 7, 17 minus 15, that is equal to 2. That is equal to 2. Therefore, we are getting F plus V minus C is equal to 2. Right? Then we can say, hence Euler's formula is verified. Hence Euler's formula is verified. Euler's formula is verified. Euler's formula is verified. Euler's formula is verified. Right? Now solve for figure number 2. Now we'll solve figure number 2. Here you see figure number 2 is, you're going to be writing the number of faces. Number of faces is equal to number of faces. Number of faces. Number of faces, that is equal to F. That is equal to number of faces we are counting. Here you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Number of faces is 9. Right? We'll find number of vertices. Now we'll find number of vertices. Number of vertices. Number of vertices. Number of vertices V, that is equal to V. I will count the number of vertices here. Here you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9. Number of vertices is also 9. You'll find the number of edges. Number of edges. Number of edges. Number of edges. Number of edges is equal to E. Number of edges is equal to E. And that is equal to count the number of edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Number of edges is 16. Now we have f plus v minus e. Number of faces is equal to 9. Number of vertices is also 9. And number of edges is 16. Therefore 9 plus 9 is 18. 18 minus 16, and that is equal to 2. Therefore we are getting f plus v minus e is equal to 2. Hence, here also Euler's formula is verified. Hence, Euler's formula is verified. Right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.